So if you're watching this, you've probably got the courage to give ERP a try. Well done. There's 5 steps to ERP and we're going to go through them one by one. Step 1 is all about selecting a feared situation for you to expose yourself to. This can be to images, videos, sounds, feared sensations such as feeling dizzy or overfull, or to feared situations like nightclubs, hospitals, or to someone who might be ill or has recently vomited. Start with something small and add more challenges as you progress and get more confident. Step 2. Once you've selected what you're going to expose yourself to, consider what you're going to resist doing to prevent your fear. Remember, these safety behaviours are only good in the short term, but using them will prevent your exposure from working. The fact that you're facing your fear is already overcoming the safety behaviour of avoidance. However, you also need to consider other things that you would be tempted to do during these situations to prevent your fear or to distract you from the situation. Once you know what you're going to prevent yourself from doing, step 3 is about writing down your feared prediction and how those safety-seeking behaviours were designed to stop it. Your feared prediction is what you worry will happen if you didn't use your safety behaviour and expose yourself to your situation. This comes in helpful later. Step 4. Step 4 is about exposing yourself to your situation. Naturally, your anxiety will rise. That is normal. Stick with it until you realise your feared prediction rarely, if ever, comes true. In the rare situations your feared situation does occur, such as gagging or feeling nauseous, focus on coping and tolerating these symptoms, and do your best not to focus on these symptoms. Over-focusing on symptoms will increase these symptoms and the anxiety. Remember the video on self-focused attention. Keep exposing yourself until you're bored. Step 5. Once you've done your exposure, look back over your feared prediction and how your safety-seeking behaviour was designed to stop this from occurring. What did exposure teach you about the need for this safety-seeking behaviour? Ask yourself, why did your feared prediction not come true despite not using this behaviour? And ask yourself, what have you learned about being able to tolerate anxiety and feared situations instead of having to avoid them? Continue to expose yourself repeatedly until you're no longer afraid. This might take a few attempts, but once you're confident, move on to a new situation to expose yourself to. Go to my website at Canaria-CBT and select the Emetophobia self-help section for resources on exposing yourself to cartoons, images, videos or sounds. Once you get really confident with exposure, really challenge yourself. For example, watch the videos or cartoons while eating, or cause physical sensations to occur by spinning on a chair to induce nausea, then watch the videos. This will really enhance your learning and make ERP really effective. Good luck with your exposure. I know you can do it. For more information on therapy for emetophobia or any other anxiety disorders, please visit my website.